Let's practice English reading together. Science fiction. The dictionary describes science fiction as fiction often based on future or recent scientific discoveries and dealing with imaginary worlds, space travel, or life on other planets. Section 1. An ape about the house. How would you like an ape working in your house and answering your questions? Would you make friends with her or would you be afraid of her? Granny thought it a perfectly horrible idea, but then she could remember the days when there were human servants. If you imagine, she snorted, that I'll share the house with a monkey, you're very much mistaken. Don't be so old fashioned, I answered. Anyway, Dorcas isn't a monkey. Then what is she? I flipped through the pages of the Biological Engineering Corporation's guide. Listen to this, Gran, I said. The super chimp registered trademark Sapiens is an intelligent anthropoid derived by selective breeding and genetic modification from basic chimpanzee stock. Just what I said, a monkey. And with a large enough vocabulary to understand simple orders, it can be trained to perform all types of domestic work or routine manual labor and is docile, affectionate, housebroken, and particularly good with children. Children. Would you trust Johnny and Susan with a gorilla? I put the handbook down with a sigh. You've got a point there. Dorcas is expensive, and if I find the little monsters knocking her about, at this moment, fortunately, the door buzzer sounded. Sign, please, said the delivery man. I signed, and Dorcas entered our lives. Hello, Dorcas, I said. I hope you'll be happy here. Her big, mournful eyes peered out at me from beneath their heavy ridges. I'd seen much uglier humans, though she was rather an odd shape, being only about 4 feet tall and very nearly as wide. In her neat plain uniform, she looked just like a maid from one of these early 20th century movies. Her feet, however, were bare and covered an astonishing amount of floor space. Morning, madam, she answered, in a slurred but perfectly intelligible accent. She can speak, squawked Granny. Of course, I answered. She can pronounce over 50 words and can understand 200. Written by Arthur C. Clarke. Squawked. The meaning of squawked is uttered or loud high-pitched cry. Anthropoid. What is an anthropoid? Anthropoid is a group of apes that have no tails and resemble man. Genetic modification. Changing the characteristics of a species by making alterations in the genes, the part of a living organism which controls heredity. Docile. Easy to control. Housebroken. Trained to work in a house.